Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Today I'm again going to talk about using products that you already own. In this winter season, what's the number one product that you always look for? Moisturizer. And when it comes to moisturizer, the number one product that comes to my mind is Cetaphil. I'm sure many of you already own Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. So today I wanted to show you all how I use it in different ways. So firstly, I'll be taking a little bit of the moisturizing cream on the back of my hand, and the concealer that I'm using right now is from the brand called Essence. It's a drugstore brand and I'm in the shade Golden Toffee. I take it on the back of my hand. I mix the two first. So once I mix it, it becomes a thick foundation. I generally use concealers which are very close to my skin tone. That's my personal preference. And with a stippling brush like this, I'm going to hold it towards the end so that the strokes are light and blend it out. You will see the magic. You can see how beautifully it blended. Another thing I would mention is that in case you want a bit more hydration on your skin, dry skin girls, you can try out this trick as well. I love using essential oil, especially eucalyptus and lavender. Now I don't like to use too much of oil on my body because I don't like how it feels. It becomes too greasy. So I mix my essential oil, this is the eucalyptus essential oil, with my Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Especially during the winter time, when you don't feel like applying a perfume, add 1 or 2 drops of your eucalyptus oil. It smells divine and I also get the hydration. I love figuring out new ways of using Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Before I used to do that with Vaseline, but I'm not a big fan of Vaseline anymore. Now the last tip is a very interesting one for me. So I mix a bronzer with a pinkish blush. Now the reason why I say pinkish blush is because there are days when I carry my pink blush like these and I don't feel like applying too much of pink shades on my cheeks. That's the day when I mix my pink blushes with my bronzers to add that hint of brown to it and not being like a Barbie pink on my cheeks. I swirl my finger onto the pan, apply it on the back of my hand, then I take my bronzer and after that I take my Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. So I keep it right next to it like this, and then I put my bronzer, mix them all. You can play more with the colors, you can build up the colors and apply as per the need. You have more control over your product, I believe, because you're warming it up with the moisturizing cream. I will be again back with another new video next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.